Yeah, somebody was just asking me a question. It says, Karl admits he's an idiot. And it says, Karl, can you expand on that? And I just did. I said an idiot is someone outside of a society who is not knowledgeable of that society's common laws. So somebody's asking earlier about tax courts or common law courts. Well, it's common to those within the tax courts society, within their group, within their society, their club. It's common to them how they proceed. It's common knowledge that, what income means to them. They have certain definitions and terms that don't apply to I, a man. You could call that an income. I call it wages. So it's common to me. If they want to call it income, good for them. I call it wages.
I do agree that whenever you use the word common law, you need to define it at the base of the page because it's defined in many different ways.
Well, I just basically said law that's common to that within that society, that group, that location, that time, where they happen to exist at that period of time. Eskimos have their common beliefs. Aborigines have their common law, common beliefs. Tax courts have their common beliefs. Everybody moves under, what comes common to them, their day-to-day, existence. To me, it's not a one-size-fits-all. It's not like, common law. That everybody's just looking for a book that says common law. And like I said, the only problem with that, like I say to people all the time, with the Eskimos, where are you going to find their common law written down on an ice cube or on a snowball? Where are you going to find it?
Yeah.
It's in their lifestyle. It's their lifestyle. It's in their hearts. It's in their minds. It's in their everyday actions or inactions. That's their common beliefs, their common law. It's not written anywhere.
I believe that the most important thing is that you give a fair trial. That you give a fair trial not only to match your needs, but to match the opposing party's needs. You just provide a fair trial opportunity for everyone to have a fair trial, and you will do well.
Well, like I said, it depends whether you are, if you're on equal standing, and most times you're not on equal standing. You don't have the same status. It's a hierarchy. And if you're in breach of a contract, or if you're a citizen and member of a family, obviously you're not the dad. You're one of the children. And obviously it's not going to be fair. You're going to scream up and down, Mommy, Daddy, this isn't fair. And a citizen just means a member of a family. So if you're part of the United States of America family, Barack Obama's your daddy, and you're a child, and he's not going to treat you what you would say is fair at times. And he doesn't have to treat you fair because he's the dad. And if you don't like what he's doing, well, that's what you got for being a member of his family.
Yeah, I would agree with that. I think the number, I should not use the word fair. I should say just. And when I refer to the word just, that every outcome of every court should be justly in line with God's will. Does that make sense?
Well, the big thing to me is you make a claim, because only a man can make a claim. The government can't only make a complaint. So if I'm going to go into a claims court, only man appears. Government can't come in. Agents can't come in. Everybody's stripped of their masks. Nobody's in person. Everybody comes in the flesh. Everybody comes in as a man or a woman. So I just go to a court of claims.